back, y'all. Today, I'm in the kitchen cooking with these gadgets.
Hello people, how y'all doing? It is I, back again, making another video in the kitchen, cooking with these gadgets. And today, some might say, Janita, this is not cooking. Well, anyway, I'm just sharing with this, you guys. I'm going to come in here to share you. I can't even get right what I'm trying to say, y'all. I'm sharing what I'm doing with one of these kitchen gadgets. Like, for instance, this ice cream scoop here. I'm about to scoop out this ice cream, which I thought I had invitation so that the real milk ice cream wouldn't bother my stomach. And I just realized this is not fake. This is real milk. This is real vanilla ice cream. So anyway, won't be eating this too much or at all. But anyway, I don't know. I probably showed this right here. What I'm about to do is take it out of its original container, and I'm going to store it in this ice cream tub that I bought. And it's basically was for, I got this from Kohl's, I believe. And basically it stores homemade ice cream. But as you can see, we don't have homemade ice cream. I have ice cream that I got from Great Value. Y'all must know that's Walmart. So anyway, I'm about to just put this ice cream. I got this for my husband, this ice cream anyway. I had just made him some fresh baked oatmeal raisin cookies. And I was going to make him some oatmeal raisin cookie sandwich ice cream. But anyway, besides that, I decided, I said to myself, Janita, why don't you just use that thing you bought to put ice cream in? And see how, you know, it's supposed to be letting you create space by putting it in here. But anyway, it's a BPA free product, food safe, and hand wash. That's what it says on here. I'm just sharing. See how I got it sitting on the side door in the refrigerator? That's convenient. Anyway, and it says non-slip. But anyway, it says stores 1 and 5 quarts of ice cream, gelatin, or sorbet. Slender design glides the perfect scoop. Non-slip base steadies container as you scoop. So in other words, it won't be moving all around as you try to scoop your ice cream out. Easy fits into a tightly packed freezer or freezer door. Wonderful. And it's Tovolo. I guess that's not how you pronounce his name. Tovolo. But anyway, this is the product. It's a gadget to me. So, there. And here is my ice cream scooper that I finally got. But anyway, let me get this party started. And that's what I'm sharing today. That I'm storing the ice cream in this gadget container. And I'm using today's gadget is the handy-dandy ice cream scooper. And I loved it. Because I used this to scoop out the oatmeal raisin cookies I made. Hold up, let me show y'all right quick. Okay, people, here are the cookies I made, and they're really big because I used that ice cream scoop like I showed y'all. They're the kitchen gadget of the day, and they're big and they're tasty. They got molasses in them, and they're really tasty. So that's the cookies that I used, that I made. So excuse me. I used the ice cream scooper to make them this size. But I did press them out, you know, to make sure they was going to spread. Because, you know, anyway. Well, that's the cookies, okay? Okay, y'all, I'm back. I took the ice cream thing loose. Here's the lid. The lid, and under the bottom there, that's the non-skid part to keep it from moving. You can see it does move, and this part goes in there like that, and it's, you have to really grab it to take it out. It's really good stuck in there. All right, so let me see. I'm Let me see. This is what I'm gonna be doing. Putting this ice cream in here. And I know y'all don't want to just let me waste time doing this. I could speed it up though. That's one thing I haven't done in the video, is speed it up. I like that, seeing people speed up their video. But anyway, let me be back after I put it all in there and show y'all, okay? Alright guys, I got it all in there. The gadget of the day, ice cream scooper, and this ice cream storage stand. Tovolo. Pronounce it how you like. Empty container. And this is what I was telling y'all. First ingredient on here is milk. Cream, buttermilk, sugar. Ooh, yeah. This is not what I was trying to get. But anyway, I want to thank y'all for coming in here again for another episode of In the Kitchen, Cooking with These Gadgets. Thank you very much. Until the next time, if I'm back, I don't know, I'm taking another vacation. Alright, so hope y'all enjoyed this gadget of the day. Until later, let me insert the picture of what this little ice cream thing is called again so y'all won't forget. Here it is. Alright, see y'all later. Have a great day.
I hope you guys enjoyed another episode in the kitchen cooking with these gadgets.